Hi friends, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi Shorthand instructor. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for lower, higher and high speed and also learners. For the shorthand students, I am offering general and legal dictations. These will help you to crack the shorthand skills. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. The shorthand dictations which I offer 80 and 100 are helpful for competitive examinations such as the SBTET, SSC Stenographer Grade C and D, and also other competitive examinations. So everyone can write these passages. Apart from this, I am also providing 120, 150 and legal dictations. I am providing passages like ILS Chandra to SSC students. Post our links on your social networking platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, etc. etc. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The BJP on July 10 praised the Supreme Court verdict which declared that a divorced Muslim woman was entitled to seek maintenance from her husband under Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Addressing a press conference at the National Headquarters in New Delhi, party representative said that the verdict had ended a threat to the constitution by the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 passed by a Congress government in the past. Whenever the Congress has been in power, the constitution was under threat. It was under the earlier government that a decision was taken which gave dominance over the constitution. The prestige of the constitution, which was crushed during the Congress government, has been restored by this order. The verdict has ended one of the big threats posed to the constitution, he said. The apex court in the case in the year 1985 had allowed her plea for alimony from her husband after she was divorced. However, the then Congress government passed a law in parliament to overrule the verdict following protest from Muslim groups. He further said that the apex court verdict should be seen in the light of restoration of equal rights rather than of religion. In a judgment of far-reaching implications, the said court on Wednesday ruled that a Muslim woman can seek maintenance from her husband under Section 125 of the CRPC and said the religion neutral provision is applicable to all married women irrespective of their religion. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 will not prevail over the secular law, a bench of two judges said, while stressing that maintenance is not charity but the right of all married women. He also lauded the fact that one country's highest state award was conferred on Prime Minister by said country president during his visit to that country. Citing the opposition parties who have questioned Prime Minister over foreign issues, including the war country, he said that they had the habit of posing doubts on every auspicious occasion. Slamming the Congress, he said that the party had passed a resolution at CWC meeting in support of the affected. I want to ask the Congress whether any resolution was passed on the said issue. On how many international issues has the CWC passed any resolution, he said. The attack on the newspaper office by one leading party activist last on Wednesday afternoon sparked outrage and drew blame from leaders of political parties and scribes organization. This is yet another attempt to suppress media that doesn't blindly toe the line of one party and always chooses to be impartial. Democracy in AP is being continuously violated under the new regime. The central agency made a significant breakthrough on Thursday in the examination paper leak case by arresting one of the alleged masterminds who had been evading arrest since the investigation into exam irregularities commenced. Following his arrest, he was presented before a special court where the agency secured a 10-day remand in their custody, according to officials familiar with the case. Sources open that he had been under observation ever since the investigation was taken over by the agency. His attempted escape to another place was filed early Thursday morning when the investigating officials apprehended him. After his arrest, the officials conducted simultaneous raids at three locations in the prime area of the state and its outskirts. These operations were part of the agency's efforts to gather crucial evidence related to paper leak case. The officials had conducted extensive searches at 50 locations during which substantial incriminating materials were seized. Previously, the officials had arrested the principal and vice principal of the school along with two individuals accused of providing facilities to the candidates where tampered question papers were discovered by the said police. The CBS probe into the exam has resulted in the registration of 6 FIRs so far. These include cases related to paper leaks and instances of impersonation and cheating. The agency's own FIR, initiated on a directive from the Union Education Ministry, aims to conduct a comprehensive investigation into all alleged irregularities surrounding the examination. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. I am also providing general and legal dictations to the students. These will help you to crack the shorthand skills. I am also conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for learners and also lower, higher, and high speeds. Thank you.